Hi, I'm Mahalakshmi. Today we are going to make whipped body butter. This type of body butter. This body butter consists of green tea butter and cocoa butter. The cocoa butter used is unrefined, so it really has a strong scent, and hence I have not used any fragrance oil. Since it is hot most of the time during the day, I have added stearic acid so it doesn't melt during the daytime. It also has Lexfeel natural and arrowroot powder to give a dry feel. This body butter can be used as lip butter too. Check with the supplier if your green tea butter can be used on the lips before you make this body butter as a lip butter. The one I got is from Soapatopia. I will leave the link in the description box. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. All the ingredients are mentioned in the description box. You can check my blog for more information. We will add all ingredients first except vitamin E. Vitamin E, which will be added last, of 0.1%. Let's now pour all the ingredients into the beaker to melt it. Okay, now this goes on a double boiler until everything is melted for approximately 15 minutes. I'll be back once this is melted. Now I'll add our Lexfeel in this and stir it. This is the melted phase from the double boiler. Nice. We will start whipping it. Okay, you can take any wide mouth container to whip. Last time when I used a glass container, it fell down and it broke into pieces. So you don't want to use glass. You can use plastic, heat sensitive plastic, or steel one to whip it. So I'm using the whipping machine from the Inox 1000 brand. This is gifted by my friends. This has separate attachments. I am using the whipped attachment. You can use the one that is normally available in Amazon too, which has two attachments. I mean two whipping attachments to whip it at a greater speed. Okay, let me start. I will whip it for some time and then I'll put it in fridge to solidify. Again I'll start whipping it. Okay, I'll put it in freezer for few minutes, approximately for 5 minutes. Don't leave it for a longer time, else it will become hard and you will need to melt it again. Okay, I will add 1 drop of vitamin E, which is 0.1% as per my previous calculations. You can whip it again. I'll just mix it. Okay, I will pour it into the container. Here it is whipped cocoa and green tea body butter. This has a buttery balm consistency. It needs to be this hard, else it will melt due to the hot temperatures here. Let me quickly apply and show it to you on how it feels. You can see how smooth it is. It has a shine, but it is not too greasy. It smells amazing like cocoa butter, and it keeps moisturized throughout the day.